You open ChatGPT every day. You ask it basic questions. You're leaving real money on the table. Most people use ChatGPT like Google. That is not what it is built for. I use ChatGPT 4 specific ways. Each one directly makes or saves me money. I went from losing proposals to winning clients. Same skills, just smarter prompts. Way 1, client proposals. Most freelancers write generic proposals. Clients ignore them. Here's the exact ChatGPT prompt that changed everything for me. I paste my client details, hit send, full proposal ready in 40 seconds. The difference between a generic proposal and this one is a yes versus no. My proposal win rate went from 3 in 10 to 7 in 10. Same clients, better prompts. One better proposal, one extra client. That is already worth thousands. Way 2, client research. Most freelancers skip this. Biggest mistake possible. Before every single client call, I run this exact ChatGPT prompt. ChatGPT gives me exactly what I need in under 60 seconds. I walk into the call, I mention their exact pain points, they lean forward. Clients hire people who understand them. ChatGPT makes you that person instantly. 60 seconds of preparation versus hours of Googling, no comparison. Way 3, follow-up emails. Most freelancers either never follow up or sound desperate. There is a follow-up formula that gets replies. ChatGPT writes it in 10 seconds. Watch. ChatGPT writes a confident, value-adding follow-up in 10 seconds. This specific structure, value first, easy question last, gets replies. My follow-up reply rate went from almost 0 to over 60%. Every unanswered proposal is money waiting. The right follow-up unlocks it. Way 4, pricing strategy. Most freelancers undercharge. ChatGPT fixes this. Here's the pricing prompt that stopped me from undercharging forever. ChatGPT gives me 3 pricing tiers with exact reasoning for each. I used to charge $800. ChatGPT showed me I should charge $1,500. Client said yes immediately. They expected to pay more. I was the one undervaluing myself. Correct pricing every project. That is an extra $6,000 to $10,000 per year minimum. Here's what using ChatGPT correctly actually changed. Proposal win rate doubled. Follow-up replies up 60%. Average project value up $800. Weekly hours saved, 6 hours minimum. And every single prompt completely free. This is not about working harder. This is about prompting smarter. Save this video before prompts are here. You will need them. And share it with one freelancer using ChatGPT for recipes while their business suffers. They need to see this today.